Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture, our custom dataset. So here we'll be talking about the dataset that we'll be using in ELO v5s custom training. So first we will go through the data. So what is the folder structure that we have maintained? What are the dataset contents? And finally the images and the annotation files. So let's jump into our file explorer. So right now I have two folders, which is like test, another one is train. Okay, and there is a data.yml file. So you can think data.yml file as a label map.pbtxt, a similar one which used to have in TF41.x and 2.x. So if I just try to open this file data.yml, so you can actually see where are my basically this images. Okay, so you can see it's train inside their images, and here what I have, so these are the five classes that I do have in my data set. So hat, vest, goggles, glove and shoe. So I do have five classes. So number of classes I do have five, and these are basically the path for our images. Okay, now let me show you some of the training images that I'm going to use. Now you can see actually inside the train folder, if I open train folder, there are two separate folders, one holding the images, one holding the labels. And similarly for test, okay, so one for the images, one for the labels. So first of all, let me show you the train one. So let me just open some images. Okay, you can see actually these are some of the images that I have taken for training. Okay, so all are related to warehouses. Okay, so from this we will try to detect hat, helmet, vest, shoes, gloves, and rest of the things. Okay, so this is the data set, and then the next thing is how our levels look like. So all my levels are in the format of txt. So YOLO annotation format is .txt. Okay, so in the next lecture when we'll be talking about the annotation tool, at that point of time we will tell you how it looks like. So it's something like for each of the images there is annotation file. So this is our training data, and similarly for test actually don't need to have labels because we will be doing the testing on top of them. But if you have already done the annotation, like in my case, so you can use it. Okay, you can say similarly images in the test also. And my labels are again all in .txt format. The name of the image, then .txt for the annotation file. Okay, and this is just like a label map.pbtxt file where all the name of the classes has been written with the path of the images. So guys, see you in the next lecture.